You are harassing all of the ex-Scientologists for this movement, right? That's what you failed to tell them. Mr. Give a speech. Go tell them how you harass everybody online. Go tell them. Go tell them how you harass everybody online. And you take it in real life. You're the one who's causing all that division. What, right? Is he not nuts? Look, listen to him. Listen to him. Belongs in the funny farm.
That's really going to help him out.
Yeah, right?
It's making him look real good outside the courthouse.
Oh, he went, what did he do? Stand up there and give a whole speech?
I put the camera down because I wasn't giving him attention.
Right?
But screaming.
I came out and he was screaming. I think he might have, the guy is nuts. Certifiable nuts. He thinks he's
today because he's going to jail.
He thought he's by. No, wait. Okay, guys, this is the time where I tell you what happened in the court. It was denied. The motion to, yes, it was denied.
Of course it was.
The judge asked him again, are you sure you don't want to get a court-appointed attorney? No, Your Honor.
How do you walk
Denied.
Like,
yep.
You walk out knowing you're going to jail.
Mm-hmm.
And then you're like, no, let me go out and just start screaming like a crazy person. So if anything.
And what did he say to you? I heard him say something like "fuck you," yeah, Zionist, "fuck you" or whatever. Mm-hmm. It got crazy, guys. He was over there thinking that he's advocating for Scientology, and yet he's calling Laura. Okay. Look at all the names he's calling Laura. Every single ex-Scientologist he has attacked.
I just put the camera down and was speaking because nobody needs to
right.
know
Oh.
who he is.
Girl. And then he tried to say something about harm reduction. Are you still with that shit? It's not my fault you don't know the difference between a license and a certificate, you dumb fuck. The DA didn't offer him a plea deal. What? Actually, the DA said that they had discussed, probably Scott going and asking for a plea deal. But as of now, no plea deal has been offered. He hasn't been offered a plea deal. I say we stay here and watch the cute little cameras. It was him yelling, yes. It was him yelling over here, something. I didn't hear what he was yelling. But I knew that's what he was going to come do. Remember I told you guys? He's going to act like an idiot. You thought the only guy clapping was the guy over there. The one that has the fuck Trump stuff. This idiot thought he was being all effective. Yeah, he wasn't expecting Becky to come out and call his ass out. So, you know that I'm going to get attacked even more. But I don't give a fuck. I already said I was going to be exposing him. Hold on, guys. Let me set my coffee down. Because that son of a bitch just knows how to piss me off the right way. We might as well stay here for a little bit. Why not? National Binder Day. Oh yeah, I'm gonna have to be more careful now. But hey, he likes to call people out, right? Imagine being a grown-ass man and acting like a fool. It was so... No, he wasn't pleading. Let me go over what happened today. Am I getting good reception with you guys? Hold on, let me make sure I don't have my Wi-Fi on. No, how's the reception? Yeah, I'm gonna give you guys the updates right now. Damn, that man makes me mad. Let me take a seat here. Oops, sorry guys. I'm gonna put you guys on my uh, where is my, oh here it is on the other side. Hey look, I'm gonna sit up here. We came for the low life and we're staying for this one. I think this will be interesting. I'm gonna go over what happened in court. I just want to make sure that my reception here is okay. I'm trying to put you guys on my chingadera because I don't like leaving. I have to put it in my backpack when I'm inside of the courtroom, obviously. Okay, I'm gonna put you guys here. These are all the paparazzi that's waiting for the Reiner. I think since we're already here, we might as well go, right? Sorry, Ripta. I forgot to tell you I was going on. Okay. So first of all, let's talk about my friend. And the only reason why I'm even talking about it, because once again, he has to allow his pants to go down his crack. Uh-oh, something's happening. Something's happening. Hold on, guys. I don't know. Something's happening. Where's Jessica? He called Jessica a Zionist. Just imagine that. Talking about Scientology. That's why I said, why are you attacking every ex-Scientologist? Hmm? That is working hard to make a difference. That's why he got so pissed off. Now, you know that he was pissed when I said that, because I said it in front of all these cameras. Sure did. Oh, here they come, here they come. How can it be a win? Here, hold on. We'll talk about dumbass, but first let's get. He's so like Alan. Alan, where is he? Where did Alan go? He might be holding a press conference. I don't know. Oh, I think there might be. Oh, I almost fell. I ran out of handrails. Hold on, let's see what's happening. Please come over here. Let's see what's happening. I'm gonna sit right here. I don't want to get knocked down. I wonder if he's gonna go the other way. He might be leaving the other way. I think he might be leaving on the opposite side.
The couple! Ted! Ronnie, Frank, Frank.
No, I'm gonna tell you why he's saying he didn't care about that. The judge had to explain it to him, okay? Um, the motion to suppress evidence, blah, blah, blah. He claimed, remember when I told you guys that he was claiming he was going to get the private investigator and pay for it out of pocket? Why did he tell the judge that he couldn't move forward today because the the investigator never called him back and didn't show up today? Sorry, he didn't show up today. Oh, good. I'm glad to see. I don't know, guys. I figured I would give you this bonus. I was here for dumbass, but we're gonna give you guys a bonus.
Alan! Alan!
I guess nobody's being. Oh, there he is, right there, guys. These guys, I guess.
Here we go, guys, let's go! I know you didn't want that.
Ay, Dios mío.
Let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go.
Probably not even gonna come out this way, I'm telling you. Come on, dude, what you're saying.
Oh, you're good. You saw my phone.
No, you're fine. I just didn't want you to spill it on your bag. You know, that must be very overwhelming coming out and seeing all this paparazzi. Oh, that one is just screaming. The other one already came out here and did all the screaming, talking about Scientology, while he's attacking all of the ex-Scientologists fighting for this cause. Yet he has the audacity to come out here and yell at the media, Scientology is that they don't know anything. And then proceeded to call Jessica, who was minding her business, a Zionist and fuck you and whatever. That's when I came out. He is just the most ignorant mofo. It's pretty fast. You sketch pretty fast. I'm impressed.
Yeah, I have to be, you know?
I think that was P. Diddy. I'm more interested in her sketching skills than I am in the actual person. You guys are getting a bonus. What happened? He needs to chill. Wait, what happened, Gina? Oh, the attorney withdrew? Oh, shit. Breaking news. There you go.
All it's okay, kid. That's all it is. They don't care about people getting this public money.
You guys are getting a bonus. Merry Christmas.
Oh, whoa.
No, sorry. And Scott does. He came out here. I didn't hear what he was yelling out here. But you know, more attacks are coming my way because I exposed him. I told he came out here talking about Scientology, blah blah blah, 6 felonies. Well, yeah, you kind of choked a guy, allegedly, although it's on film. Since the state is supposed to separate from the church, question Becky, why didn't the judge dismiss the charges? Right, Ellie? Okay, so this guy, the judge was like, yo, dude, I'm going to offer it to you again. You are being held at the same standards as a defense attorney. The judge even had to be like, here, let me fill in the page for you. Scott started off, so they started off with the standby attorney. I'm gonna give you guys this as we're waiting for Reiner, whatever. So he filed a motion to suppress. The judge asked them if they were ready to move forward. Scott said no. The judge was like, excuse me, sir? What do you mean no? And these are Becky words, by the way. You guys are getting Becky's report. Remember that. And just for the record, for Pippi Longstocking, I have never claimed to be a goddamn court reporter, okay? I've said that 1,000 times. You guys are getting it wrong. So, so when the judge asked him why he wasn't ready, he went and made the excuse, the investigator did not show up. He didn't show up here. And then the judge was like, well, did you call them from a panel of all of these boxes here, all of these? Yes, Your Honor. Make a long story short, he went back to the original investigator that the court had appointed. That's what happened with that motion. Yeah, MLH replayed. Yeah, I don't know if I was too late.
Yeah.
Damn. So the investigator he claims didn't appear. Remember the investigator he was going to pay for? Remember that one? Okay. There's some movement. So I'll give you guys a court update on the... Again, this must be very unnerving.
Hey, Montanez!
Ay,
Desgraciado puto. Dang. Remember, people, 2 people are dead. And all you guys give a shit about being paid. You guys are fucking disgraceful. I'm out here for free.
yes, there's a continuance for the 24th.
Free Maduro. Free Maduro. Get him legitimately.
The lady is fast. From this I know, yes. Okay, let's go back to our lovely dumbass friend. Okay. Now keep in mind that I had to write my notes in shorthand. Um,
Sources?
so once that whole investigator didn't show up, do you want to be assigned to one? Yes. Um, they went back to the original court investigator from the list, okay? So all these motions, all of these continuances, all of this crap just to end up back with the original investigator. Um, so then so again, the judge told Scott that he was being held at the same standards. Now, let me tell you guys what this fool went in there and was arguing as far as the motion to suppress. He claimed that the search warrant was too broad. And why did they take his socks? Why did they take the paperwork from West Virginia? They used it to try to revoke his West Virginia. He went and told the judge that they were trying to revoke his probation in West Virginia. Okay? He's still screaming. He can continue to scream. I really don't give two fucks. So he was trying to have a motion to suppress whatever evidence they took out of his van. The judge pretty much was like, "Excuse me, sir. How are you going to go from point A to point Z?" He was talking about how he wasn't ready because he wasn't ready because he couldn't subpoena a Ludo. And the judges are like, "And oh, he's retired and I can't subpoena him." And the judge pretty much told him, "Dude, you still have too many other shit you need to handle." These are Becky's words. "You have a lot of other shit you need to handle. But, ay, no seas grosero.
Hey, mama, when you get up to work?
Dude,
Caramba.
compórtate pues, mijo. ¿Cómo te vas a poner a decirle así? No, 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 no.
Yo les dije que estaba bonita.
Pero no, pero eso no le gusta, pues a veces a las mujeres nos hace sentir. Pero no,
No le gusta,
compórtate.
no le gusta. Hey, si a alguien no te gusta, pero mira, ve dísele a tu familia, hey, acá some lurks, mira, nadie me chifla a mí.
No, pero eso es, estás representando a los latinos y estás con esa gritadera.
Yo no sé, les digo, son negros.
Pues al quien sea, los está representando.
Pero qué bueno, no, estoy diciendo que bueno que es sheriff, ¿verdad? Y tiene los stripes.
I was trying not
Okay.
to, you guys, because these are the ones
Okay, earn that
that,
paycheck.
so I was trying not to show
$1,000 a day for
her
this, so let's get it on.
her work.
Rafi,
I'm sure those are
Rafi.
sketches that go into her for the news, so I don't want
He
to
looks like Rafi.
like sit back and that's it. That's all you guys are getting. We're not talking politics in chat, guys. I don't do politics and I don't do religion. And Kamala can go screw herself. So I agree with that statement, though. Okay, let's continue. he started arguing. So then the judge was like, um, that is what's called and you guys help me out, Mexican long hair, you might need to help me out with this. Uh, the judge said that first they had to uh, have a motion, what is it? Is it a Frankenstein hearing? I know I'm saying it wrong. The judge told them that before he can suppress that evidence, there needs to be proof that it was maliciously obtained. He was arguing about his socks. The judge was looking at him like, Your Honor, they took my black socks. And the judges are like, Are you trying to hold a motion to have your socks, your items returned? The judge and didn't he get his socks back? So why is he telling the judge that they took his socks? Why does the judge need to be bothered with that when your socks were returned a year and a half ago?
Of everybody there that he was withdrawing from the case. He was no longer firm.
There you go. It's confirmed the attorney withdrew from the case. This is on Reiner. Scott is in pro. So when the judge says, "Are you wanting us to hear the motion, or for you to get your items back?" Scott thought he was gonna be all like, "Yes, sir," and the judge was gonna be like, "Sure, here's your laptop, your phones, and your socks." Although he already has his socks. The judge says, "Oh, you need to file a motion. We ain't holding it here today." So as far as the search warrant, they argue that the motion, the search, the warrant.
He's walking to the bathroom.
So in order for them to throw the...
Relax the posture, guys. He might be going out the back door. Look at that. That's where they're going. Hey, he's going out the back, huh? Yeah, he's gone. He doesn't have to come out.
Okay, let's walk over there. I get distracted very easily. Let's go to the... Start snapping pictures. I should have just stayed inside. I'm still inside of the building. So on the Reiner, however you pronounce his name, I just overheard when I guess somebody that was in the courthouse saying that, confirming that his attorney withdrew. Martin Banks, all this media is for that Nick Reiner hearing. Oh shoot. Ask if I can film where? Inside? No, they're not gonna, for this idiot? Nah, I ain't gonna give them the pleasure. Scott doesn't deserve me. Who has a public defender? For which case? Hey, KK, welcome in. Okay. So again, the motion to suppress evidence was denied. And this is, is MLH still live? I might go on MLH so that he can explain some of this stuff. But I was trying to bring you this other court hearing. But I don't think you guys care too much for this whole celebrity mumbo jumbo, do you?
Where's that guy? Sir.
Let's let's go, because this is not.
Hey, just to let you guys know, that
Oh,
man came
God.
up to me, that gentleman. He said, no screaming, right? Yes. And I believe he asked me nicely. If you guys ask me,
Dude, I'm telling you, this courthouse is full of cuculucus today. He's still alive? Yeah, I might end up hopping on with them. This is. I say we paparazzi the paparazzi. What do you guys say? Okay, we might go up. Let's paparazzi. This is for the Nick. Guys, help me pronounce. Is it Reiner or Reiner? Reiner. Thank you. It's Reiner. Big cases always bring them out. Yeah. Oh, even the small cases. Look at this cuckoo over here yelling and shit about him trying to save Scientology, people from Scientology, when he's attacking every single Scientologist protesters out there. Let's go paparazzi the paparazzi. Come on, guys. I don't know. I wonder if they'll wave bye if I say bye. Or am I going to look like the same lunatic? Oh my gosh, it looks like they're concentrating so hard. Petiole. Fox. This is kind of fun. You know what? Uh-huh. I don't know how to do all of that, guys.
So if more people want to.
There's so much going on. Bottom line, okay, let me continue with this update. It's just too crazy busy. Shine on Wilferton right now, Hollywood moment. Well, he came out here talking about Scientology. He got up over here to the podium talking about Scientology, and so I had to tell people that he was the biggest scammer of them all. I sure did. Okay. So when they were requesting certain items and body camera from LAPD, it has not been produced yet. So on the 24th, February 26th. On February 26th, he's coming back. And the police officer is going to be subpoenas. Yeah, that's how he said it. Subpoenas to attend on the 26th. The judge said that he wanted to finish with this trial already. So already the judge is getting frustrated. He's getting frustrated because this keeps happening. The only thing he's managing to do is really piss off the judge with these constant holdups. Again, that whole investigator that was just a stall tactic.
dropped your candy.
I can't.
You gotta have it.
Thank you. You know, she worked for the sheriff department, which I think is kind of neat. But yeah, she works for the. Here, I'm gonna sit down, guys. I'm just gonna sit down. That lady was quick with her drawing. Would you mind if I move this just a bit? Do you mind if I move it?
Oh,
Just
that's not mine. It's not
Oh,
mine.
it's not yours.
No, not mine. But yes.
Sorry. Thank you for thank you for the permission. Hello.
Yes, just
Where's my media press? You have an extra media press pass? Scooter, there's so much stuff happening here, and it's like I want to bring you guys both these.
JR, 10% more. Thank you. Good. Okay.
No, I was asking if MLH was still live. It's just so, there's so much stuff going on. Oh, shoot. Sorry, guys. I thought I had my headphones on. I was good. I'm still live. Yeah, I'm telling you. You wait and see. The others are gonna get more and more watch because I embarrassed him in front of the media. Did I use my cups?
Can I ask you a question?
Yes.
How do you make money with the like a story or a picture?
With the
Sure.
store? Oh no, I'm not. I'm here for another case.
Oh, okay,
Yeah,
but
I don't
just-
do this now.
Oh, okay. I just meant.
It just happened that I was here and this case was here.
Okay.
But yeah, I don't normally do.
Sorry.
No,
I
no,
didn't
you're
want to
fine.
spill it.
You're
Okay.
fine.
Gotcha.
This is just a bonus that they're getting. I come here to a hearing on an idiot that comes and claims he's protesting Scientology, but attacks all of the ex-Scientologists. Make that make sense?
Oh, okay, like he's charged with something?
Yeah.
Yeah, because I'm taking the bar. I like study law.
Ah. Good luck.
Thank you.
You're happy? Okay. So let's continue with this bullshit. And then, if you guys prefer, we'll go to MLH and talk about this over there. But I know that there's two things going on in it. We're going to be on with Scooter Mom later on at 6. Scoop, can you put that link in, please? Um, So apparently some LAPD officers are being requested, subpoenaed, whatever you want to call it, to come back on the 26th. Okay, I'm reading over in my notes. So Scott mentioned the PPA. The judge was like, the what? The PPA. That was leading up to this motion. The way the judge looked at him, like, why are you trying to request the attorney? I'm sorry, I was looking at a message. Mm, sorry, I was looking at this. There's the sheriff.
Heads up!
Thank you. Didn't they just tell you to stop singing? Okay, I think they are coming out now.
Alan, why did your son step away? How is he?
I don't know where he's at. Oh, guys, come on. Here. This is your guys' bonus.
My name is Alan Jackson. This morning, I have to withdraw as Nick Reiner's counsel. Circumstances beyond our control, but more importantly, circumstances beyond Nick's control. We did what sadly made it impossible for us to continue our representation. I'm legally and I'm ethically prohibited from explaining all the reasons why. I know there's a question on everybody's mind. We expect the public defender to step in order to point and very capably protect the Reiner's interests as we move forward through the system. But be clear, be very, very clear about this. My team and I remain deeply, deeply committed to Nick Reiner and to his best interests. In fact, we know, we're not just convinced, we know that the legal process will reveal the true facts of the circumstances surrounding this case. This case. You know, a lot's been printed of late, in the last few weeks. A lot has been printed. Printed about Nick, printed about his family, printed about the circumstances, speculation is in print. On December 15th, in the early morning hours, I was in New York at the time, and I got a call. Me and my team, we dropped everything. For the last 3 weeks, we have devoted literally every waking hour to protecting Nick and his interests. We've investigated this matter top to bottom, back to front. What we've learned, and you can take this to the bank, is that pursuant to the laws of this state, pursuant to the law in California, Nick Reiner is not guilty of murder. Print that. Print that. We wish him the very, very best moving forward. And that's all I have.
Who's that call from, Alan? Who's that call from?
Alan, you said that Nick was not guilty. What do you mean by that?
Alan, anything you want us to know about Nick Reiner?
You said Alan was not
They grabbed me. They were like, let's go. I'm like, you want to take me with you? Okay, let's go. Well, like I said, you guys are going to get a bonus today. Okay, there you go. Now we can go and deal with, what's his name stuff. I'm going to go over to my mutual. You guys, you might end up losing a little bit of signal because it gets cray-cray right here. Hold on. You saw me on the news. Oh, no. I didn't think about that, guys. No.
Wait a minute. Wait. You're not going to have hot now. Like I said, you decided to come to talk.
See, I'm just trying to check into probation. I don't know what's going on.
Not that way, sir. You got to go over it.
Like, take the long walk?
What's that?
I'm just trying to check into probation.
Go around the other building. Go around the other building. Go to the entrance on the other side of the building. All right, brother?
Yeah, I was like, man, looks like a violation. No, what's going on here? Híjole.
Sir, are we
Come
gonna
on,
get
I'm just dumb cholo trying to get by SUV.
Right?
Hello?
They all came out for you.
I feel like I'm in violation.
Right? There you guys go. Go that way, mijo. Yeah, go around. You can go around
Thank you.
through the front.
Somebody who
Go.
can, like,
Go that way.
what's going on
I know, it's overwhelming. No, just go around. Ándale, pues, you're gonna be late. Come on. Start talking. Start walking. Happy New Year. Good luck. Ándale, pues. Oh, wait, shit. Is there a press conference? Ah, man, guys. Come on, let's go back down.
So guys, just take out.
I don't know who those people are. I've worked with celebrities for too many years to really care too much about the celebrity status of it. Hold on, guys. Let's go back.
Nick Reiner was expected to end his police day in this LA courtroom. He did not. Instead, huge drama as his high-profile
Okay, thank you.
I'll be over there. I just got to see what they're talking about right now.
Have you talked to the Reiner family? His former attorney says he's not guilty. Will he be pleading not guilty?
Well, that's not true, Mr. Reiner. Does Alan's decision complicate the case for you at this time? It's not on front of the Nothing about that.
If he's mentioned it, he's on his trial.
I haven't talked to him. I only spoke to Mr. Reiner for about 30 seconds. Have you spoken to his family? We've had no contact with the family. I don't think they were aware that this was going on.
Scott, what do you do next? Was he aware of the
Thank you. No further questions at this time. You can direct any further questions to our media office. Green with an E at the end.
Miss Green, how does it feel? Thank you. Kimberly, how does it feel personally?
Nastasia, Hoffman is coming out. Don't move. Okay? Y'all be very
I guess the DA is coming back. Oh, somebody was in person. That's not nice.
We're sharing this, I guess, today?
Can I just put this down right here?
After that, the guy's selling life insurance.
I don't know who's coming, but somebody's coming.
Well, we got all that. Whatever it's worth.
Good morning. My name is Nathan Hoffman. I'm the District Attorney of Los Angeles County. With me is Habib Gillian. He is the Assistant Head Deputy of Major Crimes. He will be prosecuting this case. I'm here to make 3 points, and then I will not be taking questions afterwards. In our criminal justice system, every defendant is entitled to a lawyer who will zealously represent their interests and do so effectively. So too is Nick Reiner. Whether it's Ellen Jackson, someone from the public defender's office, or any lawyer, he's entitled to that lawyer, and we'll make sure that he gets to that lawyer. Second point, in the process of dealing with that lawyer, we will make sure, the DA's office will make sure, that lawyer is provided with full discovery of all the facts that pertain to this particular situation. Whether it's interviews, whether it's any type of deal, whether it's any type of expert reports, we'll make sure that that lawyer gets the facts necessary to effectively represent their client in a court of law. And third point, we are fully confident that a jury will convict Nick Reiner beyond a reasonable doubt of the brutal murders of his parents, Rob Reiner and Michelle Singer Reiner, and do so unanimously. Thank you very much.
Have you spoken with the family?
Will you be seeking the death penalty, sir? Yeah, do you still plan on seeking the death penalty?
Do you have any gray coupon? I'm just kidding, guys. Okay, I think that was it.
Okay.
We're going to feed these twice.
Yes. Okay.
Can you feed me though? I'm hungry. Okay, well there we go. We showed up to insignificant case.
How did the guy end up just leaving and not?
What they don't know is that they have here, they have a way for the celebrities to go out to a different underground. That's how we do it. Okay, now we can go. Let's try this again. Sorry, MLH, I know you're probably thinking I'm just messing with you, but I'm trying to do two things at once. There you guys go. You love how I own my physically space? Yeah, hell yeah, shit.
Yeah.
Like I said, I can go into a room full of people I've never met in my entire life. I will come out of there making a friend. Look at this guy. Look at this guy trying to get his... Yeah, I should go tell him. I should go ask him. Do you want me to hold the phone for you? You can... I'm sorry, guys. I just... Well, hopefully we can get a 2-for-1 special again. Ah. Okay, going up and down these stairs is not as easy when you can't hold on to a rail. Oh, what a tiny baby. I'm telling you, we're gonna paparazzi the paparazzi. Inside edition, guys. Don't tell me I never bring you any quality stuff. Thanks, my friend. Sorry they did that to you. Okay. I have a feeling that they're waiting for something else. Oh no, they're picking up me. Guys, you saw that? I got the DA's interview. That's the DA that... I got the DA's interview. Jessica, you were blending in there with all of them. I was dying. I was like, you know how they put all the little plush toys? You know, like when they do the videos with all the little plush toys and then there's the real kitty cat. That's when you look over there with all of them. You're looking at me like I'm nuts. What? No. Like, what the fuck is Becky on now? I was watching some of your videos of the abandoned buildings. Oh my God, that looks like so much fun.
It is so much fun.
Yeah, there's been a couple where it's like, I wish I can go in there.
I know.
Like the one I really wanted to go into was the graffiti towers.
Oh, I
But
know.
those, yeah, it's like a fortress.
Yeah, So much security over there right now.
I know. Zach used to film it all the
Oh, boy.
time. Then there's Zach.
Yeah,
Poor
there's no
kid.
way to get him out.
Mhm.
That would have been safe. Yes, respect.
They had like six squad cars protecting that building. There's nothing there.
I know. They just know that more people are right there feeding it, I guess. But it's
Yeah.
like,
I think they were paragliding or something from there, or they
I
were
can
doing
see
something
that. Yeah,
stupid.
base jump from there or something.
That's so stupid. It's like, why would you base jump off of that? Guys, I'm gonna go sit in the little park because today, Becky. Bye, just take care. Say hi to Mama Dessa. Hi, Mama Dessa. Well, they thought my voice was annoying before. Guys, I don't know if you guys were able to catch what he was yelling when I first came out. Oh, we love you, Brandon. What you do? I got a little Hot Wheel car, and it's a truck with a toilet. And on the top it says Brandon or Brendan's hot sauce. I was like, oh, this is just too good, and I had to buy it. What's happening, Doss? Oh, from this thing, huh? Sorry, I'm not paying attention. Made no sense. If you guys don't know, from this I know by now, they're going out there making these damn YouTube accounts. Who does that sound like? Who is the idiot that's always doing that? Becky cleans needles. Becky's dirty needles. Becky's titties. Becky's breasts and all that disgusting stuff. Who was the one that went out and did all of that? There's nobody else but these dumb assholes. It's like, that's it. Oh my God. My God, you need some deodorant. No offense. I don't know. No, it was a lady. Whew, I got a whiff. That's even worse. Let me sit down here. Let me sit here, guys. I'll wrap up my. And then if MLH is still alive. MLH, I promise I'll be over there real quick. And then we're going to go live at 6 with school. So it's gonna be a day for me. But let's go ahead and have a seat right here. God damn, the shit's heavy. And then I need to go. Okay. Let me sit down. So for the Nick Reiner, and I'll change the name on this video. It's gonna be the Nick Reiner case. The attorney withdrew. That's such a beautiful day. So the attorney withdrew. Oh my Lord, is this how I came out in that news with no lipstick? Oh, looking paler than. Guys, meet me over at MLH's because he's gonna help me dissect this. These things. When I tell you I was trying to write as quickly as possible, I mean, I was just like notes, 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 notes. So this would only make sense to me. Most importantly, like I said, I couldn't find my mascara, so that's why I'm not wearing it. The judge was already like, dude, let's get this fucking shit done and over with. Again, my words. It's like, let's get this done. Let's get this party started. Come on now. But look, I really wish I could film in there. The look the judge gave him was like, my guy, really? My guy. What's wrong with you, my guy? I wanted to tell him to pull up his pants. Oh, he ended his life. Sorry. Maybe I can. There was just so much going on. Sorry at that age. Oh well. Ellie, do me a favor. Ask him if he wants to go live. He will understand that there was two things going on. No, I'm not muted. I'm just waiting to see if he wants to do a quick live. He may go live. Something is happening. What? Okay, so then if he can't go live, then I will, let me continue with this. Ellie, maybe you can answer this. And because you all know that I am not a true journalist, come on now. Ellie, what is is it Frankenstein hearing? Frankenstein hearing? What is that, my friend? Okay, oh, okay, dot com. Yeah, maybe it's. Yeah, no friends hearing. Oh, from this I know. You know what? I know that little comment that I did, but you know what? You know when something just, where you're like, the fucking audacity of you. That audacity of you to get up there and talk about, I got six. All I heard when I came out was, dumbass yelling. And I told you guys, here's dumbass. He's yelling. A Franklin hearing, yes. What's a Franklin hearing? He was asking for body cam from officers that were not there that day of the incident. Youth offenders. Wait. No, that's not it. That's what it is. It's a Frank's hearing. Again, I am not a professional. I know nothing about court. So thank you, Psycho Grannies. But that's not what it was. Good, great Google search, though. I appreciate it. Hey, guys. There you go, PP. Once again, I am showing that I am not a true professional, and I have always stated that. That is all for you. The judge said that that had to happen first. Um, Pretty much what Scott was stating was that the officers did the search and seizure incorrectly, because Scott claimed that he was. It's my understanding, Your Honor. Okay, his understanding, because therefore it's law. It is my understanding that a warrant needs to be very specific. Okay, remember, he's an expert at this. And they took my socks, and they took my phones, and they did this, and they haven't returned it, and they took all of my paperwork from West Virginia, and they used that to contact the parole, and they were trying to revoke my probation, Your Honor. Yeah, tell the judge everything else you've done, dumbass. So again, that's when the judge asked, are you requesting um, to get your property returned? The judge actually said black socks. Are you requesting for your property to be returned? I think he had a little glimmer of hope there. With, yes, Your Honor. And the judge said, you need to submit a motion, my dear friend. These are my words. So what the DA argued back was that the search warrant, in order for them to suppress that evidence, there needs to be proof that the officers acted in ill faith. Those are my words. And went and lied to the judge to get the search warrant, I guess, rejected or suppressed, whatever the fuck it's called. I don't claim to be an expert. And so they weren't there yet, because guess what? Discovery hasn't been presented. So how is it that he's going to tell the judge? He's trying to, in my opinion, he's trying to have this trial by, I don't know what the fuck he's doing. He's trying to argue, it sounds like he's trying to argue his case. And the judge is trying to tell him, hold on, before you can do D, you have to do A, B, and C first. That's what I got out of. And then he's gonna come back on the 24th for the misdemeanors. And oh, hold on, I think MLH is. Okay. Yes. February 26th is National Plastic Sleeve Day. Fucking Eddie. No, he had the standby attorney. He thought that the standby attorney was for him. It's the same standby attorney that he was trying to get rid of. And the judge told him, he's not for you, he's for us. Ellie. Cinderella. Do I think the trial will happen this year? Yes, because the judge already seems to be annoyed. He's on. There you go. They will argue everything, do it incorrectly, and drag it out as long as possible. Yes, that is true. Fussy. Okay, guys. You know what? I'm gonna go over to MLH so that maybe he can help me translate this for you guys. Um, so if you guys can please head on over to MLH's. I will see you guys over there, and this is gonna be a South Central goodbye. See you there.